Hello everyone, I am Rahul Mandal from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1V20CS124. So in this video we are going to see about different data warehouse models. So first let's see what is data warehouse modeling. So data warehouse modeling is the process of designing the schemas of the detailed and summarized information of the data warehouse. The goal of data warehouse modeling is to develop a schema describing the reality or at least a part of the fact which the data warehouse is needed to support. Also, data warehouse modeling is an essential stage of building a data warehouse for two main reasons. Firstly, through the schema, data warehouse clients can visualize the relationship among the warehouse data to use them with greater ease. Secondly, a well-designed schema allows an effective data warehouse structure to emerge to help decrease the cost of implementing the warehouse and improve the efficiency of using it. Data modeling in data warehouse is different from data modeling in operational database systems. The primary function of data warehouse is to support DSS process. Thus, the objective of data warehouse modeling is to make the data warehouse effectively support complex queries on long-term information. In contrast, data modeling is operational database system target efficiently supporting simple transactions in the database such as retrieving, inserting, deleting, and changing data. Moreover, data warehouses are designed for the customer with general information knowledge about enterprise, whereas operational database systems are more oriented towards use of softwares by specialists for creating distinct application. Now we'll see different data models. So first we have conceptual data model. A conceptual data model recognizes the highest level relationship between the different entities. Characteristics of conceptual data model. It contains the essential entities and the relationship among them. No attributes is specified, no primary key is specified. We can see that the only data shown via the conceptual data model is the entities that define the data and the relationship between those entities, not other data, as shown through the conceptual data model. Second, we have logical data model. A logical data model defines the information is in as much structure as possible without observing how they will physically achieve in in the database. The primary objective of logical modeling is to document the business data structure, processes, rules, and relationships by a single view, the logical data model. Third, we have physical data model. Physical data model describes how the model will be presented in the database. A physical database model demonstrates all table structures, column, name, data type, constraint, primary key, foreign key, and relationships between tables. The purpose of physical data modeling is the mapping of the logical data model to the physical structure of the RDBMS system hosting the data warehouse. This contains defining physical RDBMS structures such as tables and data types to use when storing the information. It may also include definition of new data structures for enhancing query performance. Now we'll see types of data warehouse models. So you can see here we have three different types of data warehouse models. First is enterprise warehouse. Second we have data mart, and third we have virtual warehouse. So first we will see enterprise warehouse. An enterprise warehouse collects all the records about the subjects spanning the entire organization. It supports corporate-wide data integration, usually from one or more operational systems or external data providers, and it's cross-functional in scope. It generally contains detailed information as well as summarized information and can range in estimate from a few gigabytes to hundreds of gigabytes, terabytes, or beyond. An enterprise data warehouse may be accomplished on traditional mainframes, Unix super servers, or parallel architecture platform. It required extensive business modeling and may take years to develop and build. Second, we have data mart. A data mart includes a subset of corporate-wide data that of value to a specific collection of users. The scope is confined to a particular subject. For example, a marketing data mart may restrict its subjects to the customers, items, and sales. The data contained in the data mart tends to be summarized. Data mart is divided into two parts. The first one is independent data mart, and the other one is dependent data mart. So, what is independent data mart? Independent data mart is sourced from data captured from one or more operational systems or external data providers, or data generally locally within a different department or geographic area. And now dependent data mart. So dependent data marts are sourced exactly from enterprise data warehouses. So this was data mart. The third and the last we have virtual warehouses. So virtual data warehouse is a set of perceptions over the operational database for effective query processing. Only some of the possible summary vision may be materialized. A virtual warehouse is simple to build but required excess capacity on operational database servers.